Here I've got Nokia 5.4 and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and logged in with your Google account, and then open Play Store. Now tap on More icon and go to My Apps and Games. And here under Updates you will be able to see all apps that can be updated. And to update one particular app, just tap on Update right next to its icon. And as you can see, you will be able to detect the progress, so you can check the time of installation and also at first of downloading. And also you can click on Update All to update all apps that you have here. And this is it. This is how you can update apps in Nokia 5.4. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.